Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. Today is Halloween. We are a little bit late. We bought all this stuff a few days ago, like a week ago, literally a week ago today. And well, unfortunately, Bree got sick. She got bronchitis a day later, right before we was about to decorate. So she's just now starting to feel better. So I'm gonna go ahead and decorate while she's getting ready. We're about to go on a trip. But tomorrow, we're gonna do a photo shoot, or sometime tonight, we're gonna do a photo shoot with this thing. But you're gonna see what we're about to do. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna show you guys the clips where we just where we went to the store at Spirit Halloween, and we got 2 bottles of blood, and hopefully it doesn't stain. I watched 2 videos on it, so hopefully it shouldn't stain. And we got another bottle of fake blood, and we got a skeleton, and hopefully her antenna's in here so we can slap that back on. Alright, so I found a spot for Scully, but first let's do the fun main part. Alrighty, so here's the fake blood, and we're gonna go ahead and start applying it. Also, I got gloves. Smart, so I don't get on my hands and stain my hands up. It should not stain the paint, but I don't know. I watched 2 videos on it, and he said to not stain the paint. Just had to do a bucket wash, and it come right off. And they had it on their car for a month. So let's hope they were right, and this doesn't happen with her car. If not, I'll take it to a detailer if I have to, but I'm pretty sure it will come off. It shouldn't have any issue. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try this out. Alrighty guys, if you'll come off. There she is. And I gotta say, I feel like this car still has some ceramic coat on it that I put on a few months ago. I'm surprised it lasted because this stuff is running off pretty good. I thought it would like stick better, but you know what? It's not too terrible. Should have added more, but I didn't want to go through more than one bottle because we want to use that bottle later. Maybe use a little bit more of that bottle, just a little bit of it on here. But we got Scully right there. She isn't looking too bad. Alrighty guys, picking this up a day later, and this is what the blood looks like fully dried. It doesn't look too bad. It's still not really dark like I wanted to, but it does not look too bad. Like in the splatter spots, it looks pretty dark and pretty realistic. But yeah, she's not too terrible. Right now we are out here about to do some photos. After this, we're going to take this thing to a car wash, see if a car wash will take it off. If not, I'll just scrub it by hand. But it'd be cool if a car wash would take off, because the way this stuff was going on is like running right off, like it didn't want to stick to the paint at all. And I guess when it was running, it finally dried, but I had to smear it on there too, because each time I poured it on there, it just wanted to run off, so I had to, you know, really smear it in for it to stay. But yeah, she doesn't look too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and click some few photos. It's already past Halloween, but screw it, it's whatever. But yeah, let's go and get some photos. Alrighty, we got a few photos, and we got the skeleton on there. Let's go ahead and take him off before he ends up flying off, because I have a feeling he will. Because we want to save him for next year. But yeah, hopefully these photos turn out pretty good. Like I said, the blood doesn't look too bad. I just wish it was a little bit darker where it thinned out. But let's go ahead and take this thing to the car wash. What do you think? See if it'll come off. Hopefully. I think it should. Maybe. When you have 410 gears, and it's easier to take off in second than it is first, so you have more gear play. I need to get rid of these 410s. But I gotta say, this thing's aggressive in second gear. She spins in second and third. Praying it all comes off. It should. If not, like I said, it will scrub off. I saw 2 videos on it, so it should come off. So if you guys want to do this, don't do it yet. Wait till the end of the video so you can see how easy it comes off. Because I don't want to get you guys into a situation that's going to be difficult. One final look. Like I said, hopefully she comes off. It should. Like I said, it looked like it barely wants to stick to the paint when I put it on. We'll see here in a minute. Look at that. Most of it came off. There's just a little bit left on the door and that's it, I think. For the most part, most of it came off. Heck yeah, there's just a few little spots. I can take care of that at the house.